In this video, I wanted to share with you how you can share your code snippet with the audience. These are some export options. For example, here you can see that if I click on any of these, then it will download the PNG version of the snap itself. So you can just publish it on your LinkedIn or on social media. So here is another option, which is clipboard. When you click on it, snippet will get copied onto your clipboard. Then you can copy and paste on any of the platform. Here you go. You can see that. Now here is another option, which is download all slides. So this will download all the slides in form of zip folder, from where you can export, where you can unzip it and then start to utilize it. So it just download all the code snippets at once. Now you have another option, which is download PDF. So PDF options can, so for example, let's say you want to create carousels for LinkedIn. Then you just have to create some slides from here, and then you just have to click on the download PDF. But before that, make sure that you have the proper dimensions, or you can also select from the presets, and then you can export the video. The export video is still in experimental mode, and you have to download the Snappify application on your system to utilize this feature. Now here is the share option, which is one of the important option for all of you. Now here is the title that you want to put, and then the description. This will consider as a meta description or the meta title. And now here you have the option to generate any of the slides open meta, the open graph image, which will be shown when you share the URL of Snap on social media. Here is a public URL which you can copy and share with your audience. And then these are some options, which is responsive and autoplay. And here you can see that this is the preview of the image that you are sharing with the audience. You have the option to present it from here as well. And now here are 4 different options. You just have to copy this iframe code and place on your blog post, on your website, or anywhere you want. And then you have this hash note integration. This will help you to share the interactive Snappify slides on the hash note as well, on the Medium platform and the Notion platform as well. Interactive means that your audience will have the option to select any of the code snippet from here and then click on the copy. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and give this video a thumbs up. I will see you in the next video.